Hello friends, today we are going to create a crazy bot. At the end of the video, you will know why we are calling it as crazy. So for that, we need a base of a boat. Let's take 4 small straws and place it at the 4 corners of the boat. So that it looks like 4 legs for the boat. Now place the motor inside the holder. The holder can be fitted in the boat, so it looks like a real boat. Now connect the motor with the battery using the connecting wire. So first connect the motor with the switch, and the switch will be connected to the battery. Now connect this fan to a straw, and the straw will be connected to the motor. We are placing a clay at one end of the fan, and we are pasting it using a tape so that it will not fall during the rotation. We are making the fan as unbalanced using this clay so that during the rotation it will cause a vibration. The vibration will make the boat to move. Now you can see the boat is moving crazily. Yeah, our crazy boat is ready. Thanks for watching.